Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to explain how to compare current month sales with the uh, same month in the previous year. So for suppose we are in December 2020, we will compare the value with 2019 December. So let me write a calculation first for getting the current month sales. So name the calculation as current month. So you can get this calculation two ways. One using year of today is equal to year of order date, and month of today. Today function returns the current date is equal to month of order date. So this is the one way. Sorry. Click OK. Let me drag order date and test this one. Right click exact date, choose discrete. So if you drag this boolean calculation to the text, you will see which dates are coming true. So if you see, we are getting the current month December 2020 true. So that's another way. So instead of this one, I would suggest you to write like this. So we'll use date trunc function. So date trunc function truncates to the uh, specified date depending on the date part you provide, and it will return the new date. For example, we will truncate the month. So if we truncate month and write date as today, so today is 19th December. Since though it is today 19th December, it will truncate the date to the start of the month. So if I apply this one, you can see let me pick it, yeah. So you can see the start date of this month, because we are truncating on date part month. You can see the start date. So if you do this same calculation to the order date, let's see what is the output, and click apply. You can see it is truncating to the start date of each month. So all the records in the December month, all the dates in the December month will give the output as 1 to 1/12/2017. So similarly this one gives, so this one gives you the 1/12/2020 for all the dates. So if these two are equal, then we get the current month. Apply. So if you see, the December month we are getting true, and all other dates in the database is false for this condition. Okay, this is the current month. So next we need to get the same month December 2019. So let me write another calculation for previous month. Let me remove this from the view, and so date trunk. So we need to go back to the previous year. So we will use date add function. Date add function increments or decrements to the specified date based on the date part and date value. So if I give year as a date part and date value as interval as negative, then you can go back to the previous year. -1 will take you to the 2019. So today is use today date, and today is 2020. If you subtract 1 year from that one, you will get 2019. So let me apply and see the output. So if I keep it in the text and choose exact date, so you can see today is 19th December 2019, 2020, sorry. So we are getting this in every record, in every order date we are getting the 19/12/2019. So if I can truncate this one, I will get the 1/12/2019. So next you need to truncate this date trunc. So date trunc month, we need to get the comparison with the month. So just take the date part as month. So month, comma, and close the brackets. So now we are getting the date 1/12/2019. And if you can equate this one with the date trunc of order date trunc month, then click OK. So now it's Boolean function, drag text to the column, text to the previous month to the text. And if you see the true records, let me go back to 2019 December. Yeah, see, all the dates falling in December 2019 are true. Okay, so now let's build the visualization. So let me create a calculated field to get current month sales. If current month is true, then give me sales, and this gives the current month sales. Right click and duplicate, right click and edit. Let me rename it as previous month sales. If previous month is true, then give me sales, and then click OK. Now if I drag a category, and if I drag current month and previous month, and sorry, I need to drag previous month sales and choose entire view, right click and choose dual axis and change the mark type to line, or bar, you can choose bar. And you need to synchronize the axis. So now you can see the comparison, current month and previous month sales. So orange color we are seeing the previous month sales, and current month sales we are seeing in blue color. So I hope you find this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.